While everyone's eyes were on the new electric vehicles of Toyota, BYD, and other Chinese companies, one player was quietly preparing to change the game. South Korea's famous company, Kia. No one had any idea that Kia was going to make such a blast that it would directly compete with a giant company like Tesla. Yes, Kia has launched a new electric car, and it has created a stir in the entire global EV market as soon as it came. Its range, power, and technology are so strong that even experts are surprised. Can this car shake the reign of Tesla? Has Elon Musk now got real competition? The most surprising thing is that the design and features of this car are absolutely premium, but the price has been kept in such a way that people start wondering, how can such advanced technology be so cheap? This move of Kia is not only a game-changer, but can also change the direction of the EV industry. After all, this car has shaken the global market, and what kind of technology has been used in it? Before moving ahead with the video, please subscribe to the channel so that you get the information about technology first. Before knowing about that new EV of Kia, let's take a look at the global market. The world of vehicles is changing rapidly all over the world. Earlier, where people used to run after petrol-diesel cars, now they have started turning towards electric vehicles. The biggest reason for this is rising fuel prices, government policies, and increasing environmental awareness among people. Tesla may have started this race, but now many new players have joined it, and Kia is rapidly emerging as one of them. Now the question is, why did Kia, which is already performing well in petrol and diesel cars, need to enter the EV market? In fact, by 2030, many countries have announced that they will move towards gradually phasing out fuel-based cars. This means that companies that do not focus on EV today will be left behind tomorrow. Kia has also understood that if it has to move ahead, then it will have to invest in future technology. And with this thinking, Kia started to make its mark in the EV segment. You will be surprised to know that Kia sold more than 2.6 lakh electric vehicles in the year 2023, which is a growth of about 30% compared to previous years. That is, now it is not just a matter of thinking. Kia has actually made its mark in the world of EV. Among these, the highest demand has been for EV6, which is being liked all over the world for its style, space, and performance. The special thing about Kia is that it is not slowly, but with a strategy jumping into the electric market. It has not only launched cars, but has also started working on charging infrastructure and battery technology. Also, by partnering with Hyundai, Kia has made tremendous investments in research and development. Due to the partnership of these two brands, Kia is getting the benefit of both technology and scale. While other companies are still experimenting with making EVs, Kia has prepared a clear roadmap for its EV plans. They have set a target of launching 14 new electric cars by 2027. These will include everything from SUVs to affordable models, so that every budget and every need can be covered. And all these are being designed not just for cities, but also for highways, rural areas, and long travel. Kia also believes that just making cars is not enough to make EVs successful. Customers need experience, charging facilities, trust in the battery, and a solid guarantee of service. That's why Kia is now getting its EV service team trained separately, so that the customer does not face any problem. Now talking about Kia's position in the electric market, it would not be wrong to say that Kia is slowly moving towards becoming a top contender. Where Tesla and BYD had a monopoly, brands like Kia are now giving tough competition. Kia's hold is continuously getting stronger, especially in big markets like US, Europe, and Asia. EV adoption is also gradually increasing in a country like India, and Kia is preparing to bring its EV lineup here too. The company is eyeing both the mid-segment and premium segments, so that every type of customer can be targeted. The new EV model that Kia has recently launched is the result of this entire background. A product that has been brought not to show off, but to shake the market. Its technology, battery performance, and price have all been kept such that even a giant company like Tesla would get tensed. When everyone's focus was on SUVs and luxury cars, when every company was in the race to make big electric SUVs or premium vehicles, Kia quietly launched a sedan that really changed the game. An EV that looks great, is also technologically amazing, and is being discussed everywhere in the global market today. Yes, we are talking about Kia EV4, Kia's new electric sedan that has created a different stir in the EV world. Engine and battery technology. The Kia EV4 is a brand new electric sedan that Kia has launched for the global market, but it's not just its design or features that are being talked about. The most talked about thing is its engine and battery system. What is so special about it that it is getting more headlines than popular EVs like the Tesla Model 3 and the BYD Seal? So, let's understand in simple terms why this powertrain system of the Kia EV4 is so special. First of all, let's talk about the motor of the EV4. In this, you get a 150 kilowatt electric motor, which gives power equivalent to about 201 horsepower. And this power is not just for show, it actually gives you the full pleasure of smooth and fast driving. This motor is front-wheel drive, that is, the car is driven by the front tires. One advantage of this is that the car remains stable and performs well in both city and highway driving. That is, Kia has made this motor keeping in mind those who want smoothness in daily drive, but also thrill sometimes. Now, let's come to the real power. Battery option. Kia EV4 gets two battery variants, and both are amazing in their own way. The first option is a 58.3 kilowatt-hour battery, which we can call a small battery. But the name is small, but the range is quite good. This battery gives you a driving range of about 380 kilometers, according to EPA testing, meaning if you are driving for everyday needs, going to office, going to the market, doing weekend trips, then this battery is completely sufficient. The special thing is that due to this battery, the car remains light, and hence its acceleration is also very responsive. The second option is a bigger 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery, and this is the real bang. With this battery, the range of EV4 increases to about 530 kilometers EPA, and if we look at the European standard, i.e. WLTP, then this range reaches 630 kilometers. Now imagine, after charging once, you can go from Delhi to Jaipur and then back to Delhi without recharging. This is the reason why people are most excited about this battery option. And not just the range. This big battery also supports fast charging. Kia claims that you can charge it from 10% to 80% in just 30 to 40 minutes if using a high-speed charger. This means that now you will not have to worry about charging before planning a long-distance journey. Another thing that makes the engine-battery combination of EV4 special is its balanced performance. Kia has neither focused only on power nor only on range. It has tried to create a perfect balance between the two. And this is what makes it a complete EV. You get power, no fuel stress, and the driving fun you expect from a premium car. Apart from this new EV from Kia is completely based on the eGMP platform, the most advanced EV technology from the Hyundai-Kia group. Vehicles built on this platform are stronger, safer, and more spacious. This means that not just the motor and battery, but the entire structure and its performance are future-ready. So now, do you understand why there is so much talk about the EV4's engine and battery? This is not just an electric vehicle, It is a powerful package that brings smart driving, long range, fast charging, and reliable technology, all in one. The thing that is attracting people the most about Kia EV4 is its design. Because on seeing EV4, at first glance, one feels that this car is completely different from all other electric vehicles. There is something in its design that makes it stand out from the crowd. This time Kia has given a very clear message that it has not come to just enter the EV market. It has come to lead it. Now, let's talk about the design of EV4 carefully. First of all, its front look. Here you will find a clean and sharp face, in which Kia's new signature LED lighting has been given. These lights not only look very modern, but they have been designed in such a way that the car gets a unique identity at night. Talking about the front grille, being an EV, there was no need for a traditional grille, but Kia has made it like an art. It is neither too over nor too simple, just perfectly balanced. After this, if we talk about the side profile, then its coupe-like roofline and flush door handles give it a premium and aerodynamic look. This means that it is not only stylish in appearance, but also gives more efficiency by cutting the air in a better way. The length and proportions of the EV4 have been kept such that, despite being a sedan, it gives you a big and strong presence. That means on the city roads as well as on the highway. Wherever it passes, people will definitely turn and look. Now, let's come to the interior design. Kia has taken a very clean and minimalist approach in this. That means as soon as you enter inside, you will feel everything open. There are no unnecessary things on the dashboard. A large curved display that covers both the instrument cluster and the infotainment system is given in the front. The steering also has a slightly futuristic touch, and the center console is designed in such a way that space is saved and style is also visible. In the interior, Kia has used materials that not only look premium, but are also environmentally friendly. Recycled material has been used in some parts, and the comfort of the seats has also been kept good. This means that Kia has taken care of not only the design, but also the feel and sustainability in the EV4. Apart from this, another big thing is that Kia has designed this EV4 not just for show, but keeping the young generation and smart customers in mind. For those who like technology, but also value clean look and simplicity, this car can be a perfect option for them. The ambient lighting, smart connectivity features, and futuristic cabin vibe given in it give it the feel of a smart car, not just a traditional vehicle. Kia EV4 Price Strategy. Is it really affordable? As much as the design and battery of Kia EV4 are being discussed, its price is equally interesting. Because in the end, every buyer asks this question: "Brother, all this is fine, but what is the price?" And this question emerges as the biggest strength of Kia EV4. Kia has kept the pricing of EV4 such that even common people can seriously think about buying an EV. Meaning not only futuristic technology, great range and stylish design are being available, but that too at a price that does not burden the pocket. First of all, let's talk about what is the starting price of Kia EV4. According to international reports, its starting price has been kept around $35,000 to $37,000. Now, getting a premium electric sedan in this price range is a big deal in itself. The special thing is that this price is for the smaller battery variant of EV4, which gives a range of about 380 kilometers. On the other hand, its bigger battery variant with a range of 530 to 630 kilometers is priced a little higher, but can still be within $45,000. Now compare this price with Tesla Model 3, which is its most direct competitor. The price of the basic variant of Tesla Model 3 starts from around $40,000 to $43,000. That means Kia EV4 can be cheaper by $5,000 to $8,000, while there is not much difference in features and range. In some cases, the range and interior experience of EV4 is also considered better, especially for those who find Tesla's simple dashboard design a bit boring. Now, let's talk about BYD Seal, which is a strong player in this segment from China. The BYD Seal is priced between $34,000 to $42,000, which is almost similar to the EV4. But one advantage of the EV4 is that it comes from a globally renowned brand, and its service and network is already set up in many countries, which feels more reliable than BYD, especially in the US and European markets. Now talking about the Hyundai Ioniq 6, it is also a sedan-style EV like the EV4, and its basic version starts at around $42,000 to $45,000. While Hyundai and Kia are both brands of the same group, Kia has made the EV4 a bit more affordable and youth-centric. That means for customers who are buying an EV for the first time, or who are looking for something new and smart instead of Tesla, the EV4 can become a better entry point. There is another big advantage of this pricing of Kia EV incentives. In the US, Europe, Korea, and many other countries, the government gives subsidy or tax credit on electric vehicles. In such a situation, the price of EV4 can be even less. For example, in the US, a tax credit of up to $7,500 can be availed, which can bring the net price of EV4 to just $27,000 to $29,000. Now imagine, even a petrol sedan cannot be bought for this price these days that can offer so many features and range. Apart from this, Kia also claims that EV4 has low maintenance and operation cost. Because in EVs, neither engine oil has to be changed, nor fuel has to be added, and brakes also wear out slowly. This means that even after purchase, there will be less burden on your pocket. This price strategy of Kia is also considered special because it wants to make a mass-market EV, not just a luxury EV for the rich. The price of EV4 has been kept such that college pass-outs, mid-level working professionals, or small families all can afford it. Kia knows that making EVs the common man's car will be the real revolution, so it is clear that the Kia EV4 is not just an electric car, but a bet that will make other companies think. The balance that Kia has made regarding pricing makes it not only a smart choice, but also the beginning of EVs coming into the mainstream. Kia's strategy. Journey from petrol to EV. Kia's story is not just about a car company, but about a brand that has been constantly changing itself with time. Once this company was known only for cheap and reliable petrol-diesel cars, but today Kia is slowly moving towards a point where the picture of electric future has started forming in people's minds on hearing its name. So the question arises, how did Kia complete this journey? And what is its plan in the coming time, especially till 2030? Let's understand this in simple language. Let's start from where Kia earned its real name, from the world of petrol and diesel vehicles. In countries like India, Kia's vehicles like Seltos, Sonet, and Carens had already become people's favorite. These vehicles showed that Kia is not limited to just style or features, but is also no less than anyone in reliability and value for money. But during this time, a big change started taking place in the global auto industry, from fuel to electric. And this is where Kia started working on its new strategy. Kia very wisely saw that the future is not just about petrol or diesel. Governments around the world had started promoting EVs, and customers were also now looking for clean and smart options. Kia first started with hybrid and plug-in hybrid vehicles so that customers could gradually adopt this change. And then, gradually, the company moved towards fully electric vehicles. The first EV from Kia that the whole world took seriously was the Kia EV6. This car became a hit as soon as it was launched. Its futuristic look, long range, and strong performance put it in direct competition with companies like Tesla and BYD. EV6 proved that Kia is no longer behind in the EV race, but is preparing to run at the front. The plan that Kia put forward after this caught everyone's attention. The company announced that it wants to become a completely EV-centric brand by 2030. This does not mean that petrol-diesel vehicles will be completely discontinued, but the focus and investment will now be on electric. And this is not said in the air. There is a complete roadmap behind it. Kia said that it will launch 14 new EVs by 2030, which will include SUVs, sedans, compact cars, and even commercial vehicles. This means that Kia will have an EV option for every budget and every need. Along with this, the company has also given a glimpse of new models like EV4, EV5, and EV9, which can shake the entire market in the coming time. Not only manufacturing vehicles, Kia's strategy also includes charging infrastructure and battery technology. In collaboration with Hyundai, Kia is developing a new platform, EGMP, Electric Global Modular Platform, which is specially designed for EV vehicles. With the help of this platform, vehicles will become faster, safer, and fuel-efficient. Another big focus of Kia is production and research. The company has built EV manufacturing plants in South Korea, China, and Europe, and is now planning to set up EV factories in countries like India. Along with this, Kia has also started working on battery research and recycling, so that EVs do not just look green, but are actually green. This transition of Kia is also special because it is doing it slowly and in a smart way. First, people got used to electric through hybrid, then created brand value with premium models like EV6, and now it is reaching out to people with mass-market models like EV4 and EV5. This entire strategy is moving forward with a thought and planning. By 2030, Kia's aim is that EVs should have at least 50% share in its total sales. And the way the company has maintained a balance between technology, price, and performance, it seems that Kia will definitely hit this target. So if you are wondering which company is preparing not just for today but for tomorrow, then Kia's name can come on top. This is not just a brand, but a journey that started with petrol and is now moving rapidly towards the electric future. So what do you think? Is the Kia EV4 really a game-changing EV, or is this just the beginning? If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel so that you get to know about every new car coming first.